अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरा नाम रिजवान है। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। डिजिटल एजुकेशन ट्रेनिंग के एक और अहम असाइनमेंट में खुश आमदीद। आज का हमारा मौजू बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त और जदीद है, यानी हाउ टू बिल्ड ए स्ट्रॉन्ग पर्सनल ब्रांड ऑनलाइन। इस टास्क को मुकम्मल करने के लिए मैं आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस टूल चैट जीपीटी का इस्तेमाल करूँगा और इससे 10 मिनट की एक तफसीली गुफ्तगू करेंगे। तो चलिए सबसे पहले चैट जीपीटी को ओपन करते हैं और इसे अपने मौजू के बारे में बताते हैं। हेलो चैट जीपीटी,
Hi.
today I want to talk with you for 10 minutes about how to build a strong personal brand online. Please give very simple, short, and easy answers because my English is basic. Let's start. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. First, pick
Okay.
one clear topic, niche, like fitness or design. Share helpful posts often. Show your own and be yourself. Use one or two platforms only. Talk with people. Don't only post. Little steps every week. How does that feel?
Okay. Mera first question. What is a personal brand? In simple words.
Personal brand is what people think of when they hear your name, like your skill, your style, and what you post online. It's your reputation on the internet.
Okay. Next question. Why is a personal brand important today?
It's important because people and jobs look you up online. A clear brand builds trust, shows your value, and helps opportunities find you.
Okay. How can a beginner start building a personal brand?
Begin by choosing one topic you like. Make a simple profile picture and bio, and share short tips or stories. Often, comment kindly on other people's posts. Show your learning journey. You don't need to be perfect.
Okay. You explained that in more details.
Sure, pick one clear niche. Make your profile look neat with a good photo and clear bio. Post useful tips or short stories regularly, even if small. Talk with people. Reply, be helpful, and stay kind. Over time, this builds trust. Opportunities follow.
Okay, next question. Social media app is best for a personal brand.
Looking, okay, good question. For beginners, start with one platform. LinkedIn if it's professional, Instagram for photos and personal stories, YouTube for teaching and long videos, TikTok for short creative videos. Don't try everywhere at once, just one. Later, you can add more.
Okay, next question. How can I make my profile look professional?
Checking real tips. Use a clear profile photo with a friendly smile. Write a short headline. Add a short about section. List your skills and keep it updated. No typos, simple words. Make it easy to understand you.
Okay, next question. What kind of post should I share online.
Share helpful tips like small lessons you've learned, simple how-to posts, personal stories about mistakes and fixes, and useful resources. Keep it short, clear, and honest. Don't post just to post. Make it useful or inspiring.
You give me an example of this.
Sure, if you learn video editing, post a 30-second clip showing before and after one tip you used. And a short note like, this took me 2 tries. Here's what I changed. Simple, helpful, and real.
Okay. Next question. Should I write text posts or make videos?
Do what feels first. If speaking is hard, write short text posts. If you enjoy talking or teaching, try short videos. Start with one, then test the other. Pick what you can do consistently. That's the best choice.
Okay. How many times should I post in a week?
Start with 1 2 posts a week. Stay steady. Quality beats quantity. Increase only if you can keep it up.
Okay. Next question. How can I get more connection and followers?
Be active in comments. Comment kindly on posts you like. Send short, helpful replies. Follow people in your niche. Post useful tips sometimes, but talk with others more. That's how connections grow.
Okay. You explained that in more details.
Think like making friends. Like, comment, and share others' posts. Say something useful or kind. Don't spam. Over time, people notice you. Then more follow back. It slowly but surely.
Okay. Next question. What should I do when people comment on my post?
Reply to every comment if you can. Be polite and brief. Say thank you. Add one helpful line or ask a follow-up question. If someone disagrees, stay calm and respectful. If it is rude, you can ignore or hide it. Good vibes grow trust.
Okay. You give me an example of this.
Sure, someone comments, nice tip. You reply, thanks. Glad it helped. Do you use this in your projects? Short, kind, and curious. If someone says, this is wrong, you can reply, thanks for pointing that out. I'll check it. Calm, respectful.
Okay. What are the common mistakes in personal branding?
Posting too much random stuff. One clear topic is better. Trying every platform. Pick one or two. Not replying to comments. Don't ignore people. Being fake or too perfect. Be real, clear, and kind. Consistency beats perfection.
Okay. You give me an example of this.
For example, don't post 10 random things. Instead, post one clear tip from your niche. Don't post on every platform. Pick one. Don't ignore comments. Reply politely. These small changes make you look more trustworthy?
Okay, next question. How much time does I take to make a strong brand?
1 sec. There's no fixed time, but usually 6 months to 2 years if you're consistent. Even 1 or 2 good posts each week can build trust over time. Consistency matters most.
Okay, last question. Can a personal brand help me get a better job or business? نیٹ پرابلم کی وجہ سے وہ چیٹ جی پی ٹی سے ہمارا رابطہ منقطع ہو گیا ہے. تو جی یہ تھی چیٹ جی پی ٹی کے ساتھ میری کوئی 14-15 سوالات پر مشتمل 10 منٹ کی تفصیلی گفتگو، جس سے ہمیں یہ سیکھنے کو ملا کہ آن لائن دنیا میں مستقل مزاجی اور بہترین نیٹ ورکنگ کے ذریعے ہی ایک مضبوط پرسنل برانڈ بنایا جا سکتا ہے. میں اس گفتگو کا اسکرین شاٹ یا لنک اپنے سوشل میڈیا پر بھی پوسٹ کر رہا ہوں تاکہ باقی لوگ بھی اس سے فائدہ اٹھا سکیں. آپ کا اس بارے میں کیا خیال ہے؟ شکریہ. اللہ حافظ.